Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Mae Phosop, renowned as the Thai goddess of rice, fertility, and abundance. Part 1. Significance of goddess Mae Phosop. What does Mae Phosop represent in mythology? In Thai culture, rice plays a crucial role as a staple food and a symbol of sustenance and prosperity. Goddess Mae Phosop is believed to govern the growth, harvest, and abundance of rice crops. Farmers and villagers often make offerings and prayers to her to ensure a successful harvest, bountiful yields, and overall agricultural prosperity. As the goddess of rice prosperity, Mae Phosop is often depicted as a beautiful woman dressed in traditional Thai attire, holding stalks of rice or an overflowing basket of rice grains. She represents fertility, abundance, and the nurturing aspect of nature. Worship and reverence of Mae Phosop are particularly prominent during the Thai agricultural festivals, such as the Loi Krahong and Songkran festivals. During these celebrations, people express their gratitude to the goddess for the bountiful harvest and seek her blessings for future prosperity. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Mae Phosop. Unveiling the archetypal majesty of goddess Mae Phosop. Goddess Mae Phosop embodies a multitude of archetypal qualities that resonate with seekers of wisdom and inspiration. As the archetype of the nurturing mother, she emanates boundless love and compassion, offering solace and support to those in need. With her role as the bringer of rain and water, she embodies the archetype of the life giver, symbolizing the power to rejuvenate and bring forth new beginnings. Mae Phosop also embodies the archetype of abundance and fertility, representing the fruitful harvest and the abundant blessings that flow from her divine presence. Furthermore, she carries the archetype of the healer, offering renewal and restoration through her soothing rains and transformative waters. Her archetype encompasses qualities of serenity, grace, and the ability to navigate the ebbs and flows of life with wisdom and resilience. Through the archetypal essence of Mae Phosop, individuals can connect with their own nurturing nature, tap into their creative potential, and embrace the cycles of life with grace and gratitude. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Mae Phosop. The serene symbolism of lotus flowers and water lilies in Mae Phosop's lore. Goddess Mae Phosop, revered in Thai mythology, is adorned with a rich tapestry of symbols, plants, animals, and colors that reflect her divine essence. Symbolizing abundance and fertility, the golden rice stalks stand tall as an embodiment of her bountiful nature, nourishing the land and its people. As the goddess of rain and water, lotus flowers and water lilies float gracefully upon tranquil ponds, representing her purity and serenity. In her realm, vibrant peacocks proudly display their mesmerizing plumage, symbolizing beauty, grace, and protection. The colors associated with Mae Phosop are lush greens and blues, representing the verdant fertility of the land and the tranquil depths of water. These vibrant hues evoke a sense of vitality, renewal, and the eternal cycle of life. Together, these symbols, plants, animals, and colors paint a vivid portrait of Mae Phosop, embodying her nurturing energy, harmonious presence, and the abundant blessings she bestows upon the earth and its inhabitants. Part 4. The story of goddess Mae Phosop. Mae Phosop's arrival and the renewal of hope. In a time long ago, within the enchanting realm of Thailand, a devastating drought befell the land. Fields lay barren, rivers dwindled to mere trickles, and a somber melancholy settled upon the hearts of the villagers. Amidst their longing for respite, their gaze turned to the compassionate deity, goddess Mae Phosop, known for her ability to summon rain and bestow abundant blessings upon the land. Deep in the lush forests, the villagers embarked on a journey to the sacred temple dedicated to Mae Phosop. They carried offerings of fragrant flowers, golden rice, and shimmering silver bowls filled with pure water. With unwavering faith, they gathered in prayer, calling upon the goddess to save their land from the relentless drought. Moved by their sincere devotion, Mae Phosop heard their cries and appeared before them, clad in a flowing azure gown that mirrored the tranquil sky. Her presence emanated a sense of calm and reassurance, instilling hope in the hearts of the villagers. With a gentle smile, Mae Phosop raised her arms, summoning the clouds to gather in the heavens above. The sky darkened, and thunder rumbled in the distance. The villagers looked up in awe as raindrops began to fall, slowly at first, then steadily growing in intensity. The parched earth drank greedily, absorbing the life-giving waters. As the rain poured, Mae Phosop danced gracefully, her movements echoing the rhythm of the falling drops. Her every step rejuvenated the land, causing flowers to bloom and rivers to flow once again. The villagers rejoiced, their faces lit with gratitude and joy. From that day forward, the people of Thailand honored Mae Phosop as their protector and provider. They celebrated her with vibrant festivals, offering thanks for her blessings of rain and abundance. The story of Mae Phosop's compassion and miraculous powers spread far and wide, inspiring people to embrace the beauty of nature and cherish the divine gifts bestowed upon them. And so, the legacy of Mae Phosop, the compassionate rain goddess, continues to live on, reminding us to trust in the power of faith, resilience, and the infinite capacity for renewal. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Mae Phosop archetype. Strategy 1. Cultivate the power of surrender. Cultivate the practice of surrender. This involves letting go of the need for control and trusting in the natural flow of life. By surrendering to the divine timing and wisdom of the universe, individuals can release anxiety and resistance, allowing for greater peace and alignment with their higher purpose. Strategy 2. Honoring the cycle of renewal. A transformative strategy in Thailand involves embracing this concept and honoring the cycles of growth, release, and rebirth. This can be done through rituals or ceremonies that acknowledge and celebrate personal milestones, transitions, or challenges. By recognizing the inherent wisdom in these cycles, individuals can find strength, resilience, and a sense of purpose in the face of change. Strategy 3. Cultivating gratitude for abundance. This involves regularly expressing appreciation for the blessings you receive, whether big or small. By shifting their focus to what you have rather than what you lack, you open yourself to greater abundance and joy, fostering a positive mindset and attracting more blessings into your life. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Set up a sacred space, preferably outdoors, where you can connect with nature's elements. Clear the area and place the small bowl or chalice at the center. 2. Surround the bowl with fresh flowers, symbolizing the purity and beauty that goddess Mae Phosop embodies. Arrange them in a circular pattern, forming a sacred mandala. 3. Light the incense and the candle, invoking the divine presence of Mae Phosop. As the incense releases its fragrant smoke, visualize it as a bridge between the earthly realm and the realm of the goddess. 4. Take a handful of rice grains or seeds and hold them in your palm. Infuse them with your intentions, envisioning them as symbols of growth, fertility, and prosperity. Offer them into the bowl as a gesture of trust in the divine cycle of abundance. 5. Offer words of gratitude to Mae Phosop, expressing your appreciation for her abundant blessings and her role as the bringer of rain. Speak from your heart, acknowledging the ways in which her grace has touched your life and the lives of others. 6. Take a moment to sit in quiet contemplation, allowing yourself to connect deeply with the energy of Goddess Mae Phosop. Feel her presence surrounding you, nurturing and supporting your intentions. 7. Conclude the ritual by extinguishing the candle, thanking Mae Phosop once again for her blessings and expressing your readiness to receive her abundant grace. A final message, words of wisdom from Mae Phosop. Release the burdens that weigh upon your spirit, for in surrendering, you discover the freedom to soar. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.